Hi everyone, we are back with an exciting new AI tool. I hope you are all doing great. Let me introduce you to Bolt.New AI, an amazing AI tool for web development, app creation, and even cloning websites. Imagine a world where creating a website is as easy as typing a few words. Yes, you heard very right. Just typing few words and website in front of us. Bolt.new allows you to create or clone any website with simple prompt. First, let's log in. If you have a GitHub account, you can use that. I don't have one, so I'll log in using my Google account. After logging in, the interface will look like this. Click on settings and you will find tokens. Bolt.new gives 1,50,000 tokens per day, 10 lakh tokens per month. Uses of token based on the length of the code and the type of task you are doing, like building an app or cloning a website. Let's get started. I want to create an app to track my daily routine. So here, I'll type make an app for daily routine tracker and generate it. It takes a few minutes to generate. On the left side of the screen, you will see what the AI is creating. And on the right, you will see the code being generated. Now, our app is ready. Let's check it, how it works properly. Let's check if it works properly. Let's add my breakfast routine, select a time and add it. You will see the routine in the morning section. Then I add the lunch and dinner. On the top of the screen, you will see a percentage indication how much of the daily routine is done. Once done, you can deploy the app. It will generate a link that you can use the view of app. For now, we are using the preview mode. So the app is deployed. Click on the link and check the functionality of this app. You can check it on the Google account to confirm it works as expected. Click on the link and check the functionality of this app. You can check it on another Google account to confirm it works as expected. You can create websites, apps, and much more. There are various pricing plans depending on your need, which you can choose based on your uses. Make a clone of YouTube and generate it. In a few minutes, a YouTube clone is created. You can even change the preview angle by clicking here. This tool is perfect for understanding and learning code. I encourage you to try Bolt.new and save this video for the future use. That's all for now. If you want to learn more about AI tools or how to use them for the graphic designing, digital marketing, business productivity and more, please subscribe to our channel Generative Coach. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment below